This is a quick video on the geometry of mining. I'm going to be going through a question on how to find the strike and dip to hopefully help better explain some of the terminology and the concepts behind mining. So first off, this yellow object here is called a stratum, and it is a layer of ore that is going to be mined. On the stratum you have the head wall, which is the top surface, and you have the foot wall, which is the bottom surface. Then you also have your thickness, and the thickness of the stratum is the perpendicular distance between the head wall and the foot wall. You also have vertical and skew boreholes, and they're used to determine the thickness of the stratum. Some other terminology that we'll need to know is strike. So the strike is a level line along the surface of the stratum, and the dip is the angle a stratum makes with the horizontal plane, so it's the slope of the stratum. So we'll move into the question. So here we're given 3 points with A, B and C, and we're told that these are outcrop points, and an outcrop is just a point on the stratum where it comes to the Earth's surface. So if you look here, we can see that A is on 90, B is on 80, and C is on 50. So first what we're going to do is project our lines up, and the contour intervals are going up in 10-meter intervals. So here we're going to mark up in 10-meter intervals where our lines meet. So A is 90, B is 80, and C is 50. So we draw in our triangle now. As I was saying before, a strike is a level line. So here at B we can see we can draw a level line across. Where it intersects the line AC, we project down, and as it was coming from B, we project through it again, and that's how you find the strike. Now that we've found the strike, next we're going to find the dip, or the dip angle, so the angle a stratum makes with the horizontal plane or the slope of the stratum. To find the dip, what we first want to do is extend out the strike, and then take our lines out parallel. So we're taking this line out parallel to the strike, and this line out parallel to the strike. Once again, we're going to start marking off in their 10-meter intervals from the X1, Y1. So B is on 40, as you can see here. So our X1, Y1 starting at 40, and you're marking off 10 from there. A is at 90 from before, or no, sorry, A is at 70 in this case, and so just mark it off there at 70, and C is on 90, and you should get a straight line, and the angle between this line here and your X1, Y1 is your dip angle. So lastly, what we're going to find is the outcrop line. So there's the line where the stratum comes to the surface. So in the auxiliary over here, the stratum is seen as an edge view, and where the edge view crosses these level lines, if we project these back, these are where we're going to get the points for our outcrop. So you can see here P crosses here at 50, so we project back, and where it touches 50 interval here, make a point similar for this one, the next one on. It's important to remember that you always include the A, C and B, because we are told that they are points on the outcrop.